Hey guys, we're gonna be wrecking some grannies. Ooh, gonna wreck you, Granny. I'm gonna get you, Granny. I shot one of the grannies. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby. You guys can't stand there forever, Granny. Eventually you're gonna need to take your pills. Oh my God! Gonna snipe you right out the butt. Bang! You're back. Take off those fake glasses of yours, Granny. Else I'll snipe you. Get out of here, Granny.
No, they aren't.
You don't need them, Granny. I robbed you. I shoot them and exploded them with some TNT.
In my bathroom. You are not the fun of us. Okay.
Granny, holy crap, Granny's gonna wreck me. Look at how Granny has that sword. Oh crap, Granny's gonna get me.
She's not a granny. I'm the granny.
Yeah, I know, Granny's gonna get me. I'm going to my house again. I'm gonna wreck Granny. Okay, I need to find out a way to wreck Granny. I have my binoculars. I'm gonna wreck the Granny. Holy crap, I can't see. It's too dark in here. These are just holy crap, I'm getting a poop pick, a Trump pick. I don't know. Granny's too old to shower. Pick that lock. Granny, I'm gonna shoot you, Granny.
No, Granny needs a shower.
Are you sure about that? He fell in there. I need a new ponytail. Gonna wreck you, Grannies. Granny? Where are you, Granny? Hope you don't mind, but I'm coming in here. Granny. Gonna wreck my Granny. Granny pick. Oh, there's a Granny bullet. You can only use certain bullets to wreck the grannies. Because the grannies, they're tough. With the granny, I'm sounding like a granny. Gonna pick the lock again. Dang it. Dang it, Granny! Fine, I'm gonna go leave. Look how bad you got, pretty great. Oh, gonna wreck some. First person view. Dang it, gun! You're not working on me again. Oh look, there's no sign at all.